In this video, let's learn how to divide the number 88 by 8 using the long division method. Consider the first digit 8. We know that 8 times 1 is equal to 8. Subtract, we get 0. Now this 0 is less than 8. That is why we need to bring down this adjacent 8 here. But look that this is the number 8. So we will remove this 0. And we know that 8 times 1 is equal to 8. Subtract, we get 0. As we have no number to bring down here and we have got the number 0, so we will stop. Therefore, 88 divided by 8 is equal to this number 11. And this is our final answer. Thank you for watching. Please like, share and comment on the video. Also do subscribe our channel.